Hey everyone, Abners here, and we are back with another Funko Pop review right here. And today we have this special one from the Dragon Ball Z saga. This is the Super Saiyan Goku with Kamehameha Special Edition Diamond Collection Funko Pop. And we will be checking this one out right after the intro. So there you go guys, this is the Super Saiyan Goku with Kamehameha number 948 Special Edition Diamond Collection Funko Pop right here. So of course, again, we do not have to tell you who Goku is, right? So he's our main protagonist for the Dragon Ball Z saga. So on this particular figure right here, he is in the heat of battle with Cell, and of course he uses his specialized weapon right here, which is the Kamehameha Blast right there. So our figure right here measures this is a special edition Diamond Collection Funko Pop. If you haven't noticed already, I'll show you up close that this has a jewel-like texture right here. It's like it's glitters all over the figure right there. So you can see on the hair and on his normal clothes right there, and the shoes. So you see the glitter in there, right? And as you can see, this is still Goku, Super Saiyan Goku right there, but with some glimmer of glitters all over the figure, but not on the face right there. On the face, it's just a plain normal look for our Funko Pops. No bling there, right there. Just the green circle eyes right there and his nose. The eyebrows right there is still the same. It matches the hair on top. And of course, as you can see, that is what his hands are doing. So you see even those wristbands right there, they have bling in them, right? Even the belt around his waist right there, they're glimmer, right? So you see that is what he is doing with his hands, and he's about to fire and strike Cell right here with the Kamehameha Blast right there. So a more shot of the pants right there. You see the bling, right? That is the good contrast of the blue and the maybe orange light. It's no longer plain orange on the pants right there. Down to the shoes. And also our figure right here is not a bobblehead figure. You can see that the head is fixed on the shoulders right there of our figure. So this is not a bobblehead figure. And of course, if you can see on the side right here, on the other side, on the back, so you can see more of the bling right there on the hair, on the entire Super Saiyan hair right there, the back of the pants and the shoes right there, all blinged up. So that's why it is called the Diamond Collection Special Edition right here, because our figure is all blinged up right there. So there you go guys, with our Funko Pop for today. This is the Super Saiyan Goku with Kamehameha number 948 Special Edition Diamond Collection right here. I hope you like our quick unboxing and review of this Funko Pop right here. For inquiries and comments, please leave them down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Iいい試合になりそうだ。